Welcome to the introduction of the G1 Multifunctional Steam Cleaner.
Upon opening the package, you'll find the main unit, handheld spray gun, extension hose, power cord, high-pressure nozzle, extension rod, various cleaning brush heads, including a soft brush and a copper brush, steam scraper, sealing rings, a nozzle cleaning pin, high-temperature resistant gloves, cleaning towels, the user manual, and a glass cleaning attachment.
Now let's get to know the purpose of these accessories together.
Light fabric cover, used for cleaning curtains, sofas, mattresses, clothing, and other fabric surfaces. Press brush, for cleaning barbecue grills, stove crevices, metal fittings, and heavy grime on metal surfaces. Bristle brush, ideal for sinks, faucet edges, stove corners, tile grout, and toilet bases. Straight jet nozzle, cleans window tracks, door frame gaps, corners, and around drains. Flat jet nozzle, suitable for greasy surfaces like wash basins, stovetops, tiles, and cabinet doors. Steam scraper, removes hardened grease and buildup from kitchen countertops, stovetops, and tiled walls. Glass squeege, cleans water stains and residue from windows, mirrors, and shower doors. Large brush head with bristles, designed for large areas like range hood interiors, microwave cavities, and tiled walls. Red orange seal, replaceable part used at nozzle handle connection to prevent air leakage. Nozzle cleaning pin, clears blockages inside the nozzle, removing limescale and debris. Angled nozzle, perfect for hard-to-reach areas like behind toilets, behind sinks, under furniture, and car bells. The G1 Steam Cleaner features intelligent button control. Press and hold the button for 8 seconds to power the unit on or off. Short press to switch between steam pressure levels with a total of 3 adjustable settings. It's equipped with a large 1,600 ml water tank, allowing for continuous high-temperature steam output while minimizing the need for frequent refills. The display screen shows the current steam level in real time, making it easy for you to monitor and control the cleaning process. Additionally, the machine offers a cleaning reach of up to 156 inches, helping you cover a much larger area effortlessly.
Now let's move on to explore how to operate the G1 in detail.
Firstly, we insert 2 AAA batteries into the handle. Then, open the dust cover and fill with clean water. For first-time use, it's recommended to fill 800 to 1,500 milliliters of water. Plug in the power. The main unit's display will briefly show the number 8, which indicates self-checking. It will then quickly change to number 0. Press and hold for 2-3 seconds to turn on the machine. The main unit's display will change from level 0 to level 1. The machine will begin preheating and the indicator light will turn red. After preheating for about 10 to 15 seconds, the indicator light will change from red to blue, indicating that the preheating is complete and the machine is ready for use. The steam cleaner will start releasing steam automatically. Attention please, don't leave it during the preheating process. During use, you can adjust the steam level by briefly pressing the handle button. There are a total of 3 levels. No matter which level it is on, pressing and holding the handle button for 2-3 seconds will turn off the steam cleaner. Finally, unplug the power cord and open the drainage outlet at the bottom of the main unit to empty the water.
Now let's put it into practice.
Before using other accessories, it's necessary to install the high-pressure nozzle and remove it if not in use. The glass brush head can be disassembled and combined to clean the glass. When disassembled and fitted with a close cover, it can clean the sofa. Before using the extension rod, please remove the high-pressure nozzle and then install the extension rod. The nozzle should be installed at the end of the extension rod. Important: wait 30 to 60 minutes for cooling before disassembly.